Hi, in this video I will be reviewing the peer-to-peer lending platform Debitum, which I first started investing on last year at the very end of December. So it's been about 6 months now from this moment I first started to invest on the platform. So I want to share with you how to use the platform, how to set up the auto invest function, and also I want to show you the results I had from the platform. So you will see all of that in the video. I chose Debitum as a platform because I heard about it from many people. It really made sense for me to try it because the return seems great. They have a very nice interface, as you will see in the video. So I really wanted to try it out for myself, and I will share everything about Debitum in this video. So what we'll do now is simply jump on the computer and I will show you everything about how to use Debitum and my early results on the platform. Okay, so I just logged in my Debitum account, and this is the overview. So what we'll do is first we'll have a look at the different assets or loans that you can invest on the platform. We'll see the auto invest function, we'll see my current investments, and then we'll have a look at my returns on the platform since I actually invested. So if you are new to the platform, of course the first thing is to deposit money. That's very easy to do. You can just click on this button, deposit over there, and basically you can do a bank transfer using all of these accounts. So it depends, you can load the account in euros, in pounds, and in US dollars as well. So I used actually TransferWise to do that, to deposit euros on the platform. I deposited 250 euros exactly. There was absolutely no problem. It was on the platform within 1 day, so it was quite fast. They say 1-2 working days. Yeah, for me it was really fast. It might change if you are doing in pounds or US dollars, but at least in euros, I used TransferWise and it was without any problem. So let's now have a look at the assets that you can actually invest on the platform. So this is in here in the asset list part, and Debitum is basically a marketplace as well, like Mintos if you want, for loans. So they don't actually propose loans directly to people, but they list loans available from other loan originators. So that's what you can see here. You have different loan originators like Chain Finance, Fattrace, 40, which are originators from different countries in Europe. And they propose loans on the Debitum platform, and you can invest on those loans. So what I really want to say here is that I really love the interface of Debitum. It's really fast, easy to use, the information is clearly displayed. So I would say in terms of interface is one of the platforms I like the most. So let's now see in terms of loans. So you can naturally filter here the different loans. So what I like to filter, of course, for is only loans that are protected by buyback guarantee. That's what I always recommend on all platforms you want to invest in. Make sure there is a buyback guarantee, and if there is, only invest in loans that are covered by the buyback guarantee. And be careful with that, because sometimes on platforms there will be both types of loans, some that are covered and some that are not covered by the buyback guarantee. So here I will just filter first only the loans with the buyback guarantee, and that give me all those loans here. So you can see on the platform the interest rates are around 10%, so they're at 9 and 8, but also some at 11. So I usually like to be above 10, and that's what you will see in my auto invest settings. That's what you will see also on my results later. So I like to have an interest rate of my loans above 10%, because peer-to-peer lending is an investment, so there are risks, right, as with every investment. So I like to have at least 10% to have some good returns on my money. And if you click on the loan, it will give you all the information about this loan. So you can see the credit score of this person, the interest rate, the total amount. You can see all the information that it's actually protected by the buyback guarantee, which industry it is, as it's a business loan here. So you can see a lot of details. If you click on each of those loans, you can also directly invest here inside the loan. So the minimum is 10%, like on many platforms. That's something great, because It allows you to diversify a lot. You can also see who invested already in the loan. So you can see that as many platforms, Debitum has a skin in the game, right? They have to invest in every single loan that they put on the platform, which also made them, more likely to select good loans to put on the platform. So, of course, that's not what I suggest to do, that you invest manually in loans. You can do that at the start. However, then you should really go to the auto invest function. And that's also really easy to do. They basically propose to you already some auto invest templates. So you can see they have conservative, only A and A plus credit score, so that the best loan on the platforms, moderate and aggressive, which are the lowest credit score. So I don't actually recommend choosing those. I recommend making one by yourself, right? So let's see if I can show you the settings of my investment plan here. So I basically chose all the credit scores, right? Interest rate between 7 and 11%. So it's basically also all the interest rates on the platform. I really just wanted to try it out here. All loan originators, because I don't want to discriminate by country. And for sure, only invest in assets that are covered by a buyback guarantee. So it's really simple on this platform. I also put a minimum amount of 10 euros. I put a maximum amount on 20 because at some point there was not enough loans on the platform when I first started to invest. Now it's okay. Now I don't have any problems anymore to actually invest in new loans, so I might change that in the future. But I recommend that you put just 10 as a minimum and maximum amount, so you really diversify your portfolio on the platform. And for sure, always activate the buyback guarantee here. So that's my basic plan for the platform. I might modify it in the future as I'm putting more money on the platform, but for now it's been working great for me. So let's now go to my investments. So that's basically all the loans that I'm investing in. So you can see some are already fully repaid, some are still ongoing. And now let's go back to overview to see what my investment been doing so far. So you can see that 38 loans were fully repaid, 12 were repaid on at repayments on time, and no repayments were late on the platform. So after basically 6 months of investing. So it's really great that there was no single loan being late. I have interest rate of around 10%. Of course, it's just an estimate because I've been investing only for 6 months on the platform. So this might also change in the future. But so far, I'm really satisfied with that. It's what I wanted, above 10% of return. I earned only 8 euros in this period because I didn't invest a lot, 250 euros only. This is because I like to try platforms, and that's also what I think you should do. Don't put a lot of money on each platform you try. Just put a little bit, try it out, see if it works well for you. Debitum definitely worked well for me, as you can see in this review. And therefore, I will definitely add more capital onto Debitum in the near future. So overall, to sum up, it's a really neat peer-to-peer lending platform that acts as a marketplace for other loans. Interface is great. Also, the auto invest function is really easy to set up. It works great. It's been working great for me for the 6 months I've been investing on the platform. And also, none of the loans were late. And even if they were, I have the buyback guarantee on each and every loan I invest in on the platform. So that protects my investment as well. Also, I need to add that the team at Debitum is really cool. I talked with them a lot of time. They really respond fast. They are very nice and always ready to help their investors. So definitely, I really recommend to have Debitum as part of your portfolio if you want to invest in peer-to-peer lending. So this is already the end of this review about the peer-to-peer lending platform Debitum. So as you could tell from the moment we spent on the computer, I really like this platform. The results are exactly what it should be. They have a great interface that they are constantly improving. They also have a very nice team. I spoke with them many times on the phone. They are great. They are always looking forward to help. So far, that's really a platform that I think should be in anyone's portfolio if you want to invest in peer-to-peer lending. So to learn more about Debitum and to know more about my results with the platform, I wrote a really in-depth review on my blog as well, and you will find the link to that below this video. So I always update this article on my blog with my latest results. I do that every month. So if you are watching this video and you want to know what are my latest results with the platform, I really recommend you check out this article. You will find the link just below the video. That being said, if you have any questions about the platform, about peer-to-peer lending in general, don't hesitate to ask me by leaving a comment below. So thank you again for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.